Hey, what's up, guys? Your boy, I'm back at it. I got this piece right here that I've been putting on pause for like 3 years now. So it's just been on the back burner. I call it Three Little Birds. It's about a family, siblings that are responsible for each other. When you're a youth and you have your older sibling or whatever, but you're going somewhere to go play or go over to your neighbor or whatever, but you have to walk through some bush and thing, you see me? So I kind of put that eerie feeling, that solemnness of who we are as Jamaicans. So I just wanted to give that feel as we are kings and queens of who we are. But here's the final result of what it is. Got the mountains in the background. So yeah, I hope y'all like it. It's that newness that I'm venturing